2026 Best Director is Chris Fuego Vivas.
Kung pinipray ko kanina yung screenplay, ito yung award na hindi ko talaga ini-expect. At hindi ko na inasa na mapanalunan ko to. Tingnan mo naman yung mga kalaban ko. Mga tinitang, mga idol ko sila sa larangan ng pelikula. And so I share this award to all of them. But I will not take the credit alone because I think being a director, you're only as good as the people you work with. So I share this award to the entire team of Pinikas, my producer, Amaya and Ashley, my director of photography, Neil Briones, na malaking ambag sa paggawa ng pelikulang ito, my production design, Pauline Olarte and her team, my editors, I have two editors actually. First, George Macapagal, ang laki ng ambag niya para ma-assemble namin ang napakaraming footage. So, like from 3 hours worth of film to just 2 hours. And then, Jay Hernandez for trimming down or fine-tuning the whole film. My sound, my composers, you know, those are original songs from a talented composer from Cagayan de Oro, Winsett Hakot, who is now a nurse in New York. All those songs, 3 songs are hers, and 1 song from Jade Makawili, yung plano. A lot of people to thank for my, the people of Pintuyan, Southern Leyte, my hometown. Lahat ng mga nakita nyo yung extra mga kapitbahay ko sila. So, grabe yung ano nila na ma-portray nila ng authentic ang pelikulang ito. Kahit first time nilang umappear sa screen, ma-short film man o full-length. First time lang makita, itong tuwa sila doon. A lot of people, nakalimutan niyo yung mga kapatid ko actually, at the middle of the shoot, wala na akong budget. Tinulungan nila ako and they're watching right now. My siblings, thank you for rescuing me for this project. A lot of people, thank you for my boss sa work ko. Pinayagan niya akong mag-leave. Worth it. Worth it yung pagpunta ko dito. To my wife, actually, sabi niya, ang mahal ng pamasahe, may war sa Middle East, yung pamasahe mo, bili mo na lang ng gold kasi magandang investment na yun. Ito na yung gold. Mas magandang investment to. Maraming bitaw ang magagawa dito. Kaso parang hindi naman binibigay, parang isinaulad yan. So, at least may picture naman. Thank you.